Baby possums are cute, but when they grow up,
Okay, lesson 45. I'm going to push autofocus so we can see better. There it goes. Lesson 45, number 4. It says, the latitude of Princeton, New Jersey is 40.5 degrees north of the equator. How far is it from Princeton to the equator if the diameter is... Now, I think the reason you guys are having such trouble is because there's a formula for this in your book, but they hide it from you. And the formula is radius times radians and if you are very interested in finding exactly where that is in your book, you can just use this thing, and you can go, oh, we're on lesson 45, and go right here, and you can go lesson 45, and we're on number 4, so it would be in lesson 39. Let's put a little 39 by it. Radius times radians equals arc length. And I'm pretty sure that's what this whole thing's about. So that can be found if you just want to tool through your book and find lesson 39. It's in one of the paragraphs. It's in bold, but it's not a very obvious formula. There it is. It keeps coming up over and over again. So let's just say we have a sphere that's the Earth, and there's the equator. And let's say that, okay, so the diameter is actually would be like kind of cut through the middle of the Earth, and the diameter is 7920. I really would like radius, so I think I'll get that right now. 7920, you can't see what I'm doing, but I'm going 7920 divided by 2. I think I'm going up the right, barking up the right tree. I'm going to say radius equals 3960. And then if I could just get some radians, these are degrees. So if only I would have made my picture look better. So if this, there, I'll make it look better. If that is going through the middle of the Earth, and this is the equator, then I can put an angle like 40.5 degrees north of the equator. I could just say from the middle, from the center of the circle, something like that. I mean, maybe it's more or less looking, but I'm looking for this arc length right here, and this is 40.5 degrees. How can I turn that into radians? Wow. So it's not one of the ones that we have memorized. So we have to go 40.5 over 1. Pi over 180. Pi over 180, yes. Okay. So this one's going to end up being a calculator problem. I mean, there's other ways to do this, but I'm just going to do it this way because I think that's what they're wanting you to do. I think this is ugly, but I'm just going to get the decimal for it. I'm just going to go 40. You can't see what I'm writing, huh? I'm going to go 40.5 times pi times, I have a pi key. It's down there, so pi divided by 180. I'm just going to get some number for it. Well, I got 940. 9 over 40 times pi. I can get a decimal for that if I want to. Yeah, we can just do that. So we know it's going to be radius, which is 3960, times radians, which is point. Just leave that in your calculator, guys and gals. I wrote it like that, but really I'm going to leave it in my calculator, okay? Because that's going to give me a more accurate answer. So just leave it in there and then go times 3960. 39. Oh, I messed up. Good thing I wrote it down, huh? Okay. Oh, and it was just typed over the top of it? Oh, thank you. Well, okay, so mine's not going to be as accurate as you guys, but at least I wrote something down. 6, 8, and that, so I got something kind of close to 2,798.9 2,709, we can say. And are we in miles, and did they tell us where to, did they give us some directions for this? They want us to, how far is it from Princeton to Equator? Well, I don't know, I can say it's like that. So it's a long way. A couple, 2,000-3,000 miles. So let me look in and make sure that that's an okay answer, because you might, they might round a little differently than that. So that's 45. 45, number 4. 45, number 4. They said 2,799. Did we get that? Hey, but then they went ahead and did the 0.16 miles, because that's how theirs rounded. It's the way they did that. I'm gonna leave mine alone, but I'll write this down for you so the teacher's aides won't get on your case. I'll go like this. Okay. The both answers are okay, but that's more appropriate for whoever's grading your paper. And that's it.